Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am doing an unboxing. It's been a while since I last did an unboxing on this channel, so I'm really excited for this one. I got plants from Green Spaces ID. I feel so lucky that they sent me plants, and now I'm opening them and showing you all that they sent me. Should we get to it? Scared. Oh, it looks so good in here. Everything's packed so nice and so neatly. The first plant that I got from greenspaces.id is Philodendron Whippleway. Greenspaces.id is an ornamental plant exporter company from Indonesia that started its business in 2013 and has successfully sent more than 6,500 orders to various foreign countries, especially to the USA, Canada, and Europe. They also provide shipping options without import permit documents via cargo shipping, making things easier for at-home hobbyists like you and me. Definitely check out their website, greenspaces.id, for more info and to peruse their awesome selection. Nice. Lost some leaves, but that's totally expected. There's plenty of good leaves left. From the first plant, my first impression is that the plants are packaged very professionally. The label is nicely typed, and they even each have a little quality control sticker showing that each plant was gone through to make sure that they don't have any pests or diseases. Well, they have to do that anyways to ship it out of the country and into ours. That's just what I noticed first. This next plant, this next plant isn't labeled, but it is, I can kind of see it peeking out, taped onto the plastic pot. This one's on a plastic pot this time, so that's different from the Whippleway that I just unpacked. Let's see what this variegated Anthurium vitarifolium looks like. At least I think it's variegated. Yeah. All this tape. Ooh, cute. Yeah, so this is the Anthurium vitarifolium. It's a cute little baby, and this one has some nice variegation. I'm excited to grow this one. And I've been wanting an Anthurium vitarifolium for so long. Now I have a variegated one. So excited. I just realized that there's 6 plants in here. They're labeled, so this is 3 of 6, and I've been going in order this whole time. The next plant, 3 of 6, is the Alocasia sente. Ooh, pretty. That's so pretty. Wow. I didn't even realize that this is variegated. I totally looked over that word. What a nice surprise. Now we're on to plant 4 of 6, and it just so happens to be the biggest little bundle in this box. Biggest little bundle. It's a philodendron strawberry shake. I've always wanted one of these, and I've never pulled the trigger. So I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Make weird faces. Whoa. Oh! Wow, this is nice. Look at the variegation on that. That is so nice. New leaf. Looks a little reverty. I'm excited to see what this plant ends up looking like once it hardens off and does some growing under my care. Good luck, little buddy. It's okay. The plants are okay. 5 of 6. Okay. Ooh. You see the label? Can you read it? Variegated Monstera Adansonii from Indonesia. So it's the Indonesian form. Wonder if these leaves are bigger? I guess I'll find out soon enough with you. Ah, nice. So it's like the longer, skinnier form, but with variegation. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really nice. This is nicer than some of the Monstera Adansonii variegatas that I've seen here. Very cool. And here we are, plant 6 of 6. Just reading the tag, and I wonder if I should have opened this one first, because it's a Syngonium green splash. I don't know exactly what it's gonna look like, but I hope it's not underwhelming or anticlimactic. Okay, we're both gonna find out. Oh. Well, there's more than just green splashes on there. There's a lot of brown and yellow too. But again, that's expected. It's cute. It's cute. Oh look, there's even a new leaf coming out. Oh, okay, it's really cute actually. And this is one plant that I would never really think to pick up for myself, but now that I do have it, it is really cool. So the leaves are a lot more silver with the dark green splashes. That's cool. That's totally unexpected. And something that I really love. That was fun. Now I have a lot of work to do. I'm going to acclimate these by using my sphagnum moss in a vase method. It's how I keep most of my anthuriums, some philodendrons, and they all love it. And I thought this would be a very efficient way to acclimate these, because you basically just pot them up and let them live, hopefully. I wanted to give you guys an update on how my plants are acclimating. It's been about 5 days, and I've seen some real progress with some of the plants, and some plants not so much, but they haven't really deteriorated or anything yet, so I'll call that a win as well. I wanted to leave all the dead leaves and everything on. I wasn't cutting anything off because I wanted to show you guys the real experience in case you wanted to import some plants yourself. There is a coupon code in the description below for 20% off your purchase. Just Patadendron20. It isn't an affiliate link or anything, so I won't be getting anything out of it except for you getting 20% off, which is great. So I might even use that for my next order. Just to refresh, this is the setup that I decided to use to acclimate them. I wanted to try to keep them outside of the grow tent just for a challenge, I guess. And I thought this was a great way to acclimate them. So the first plant that I want to update you on is the Alocasia sente. You can see its nice leaf. That's its one remaining leaf, but it looks pretty solid. It's nice and erect. And you know, here is the one leaf that it lost. It came in with 2 leaves. Now it's a 1-leafer, but this seems to be doing pretty well. Next up is the variegated Vitarifolium. This is one of the plants that really didn't change much, so I think that's a good thing. The leaves feel nice and succulent, full of water. So yeah, I feel like the plant's internal system is working. So I'll keep you updated on that. But speaking of the internal system of a plant working, I'm really excited because I feel like I made some progress with this Monstera adansonii. I know it doesn't look like it. Look at all those yellowing leaves. But when I first put this in the pot, this leaf was flipped over the other way. So the back side was the side getting the sun exposure or the light exposure. And I was kind of worried about that, hoping that it would figure itself out. And then one day, like maybe after day 2 or day 3, it just flipped over and now it's right side up. So I take that as a huge win. I feel like the plant's doing its thing, you know? Remember when I thought that this leaf looked a little reverty? Now it's showing some more signs of splashes as the leaf hardens off, so that is great. And the Syngonium is what surprised me the most. You know, when I first opened these plants, I always expect Syngoniums to be a little more delicate, and I wouldn't think that it would like the transporting and being bare root so much, because from my experience, these often they get so thirsty real quick in my experience. But these had the most succulent feeling leaves upon arrival, and this I'd say is doing the best of all the plants just because it hasn't lost any leaves. And remember that new leaf that was coming out? There it is. This is the only one that I didn't put in that system just because I ran out of glass vases, but it's pretty much the same with sphagnum moss. I could have put leca in the bottom, but I didn't because I'm gonna probably move it. And here is the philodendron whipaway. Lost 2 of its smallest leaves. Left that on there for you. And this new leaf is still hardening off. But another one that kind of didn't do much, but still looking good and alive. So again, call it a win. All the plants, I'd say, arrived beautifully and healthy. And I'm really excited for this variegated adansonii. That was a lot of fun, and I had such a great experience receiving the plants from Green Spaces ID. Huge thank you to greenspaces.id for sending me these plants. It's such a generous gesture. Actually, I'm thinking about putting in another order. Well, I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. If you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much. So if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye.